Hello, Hector in Monteeebelllooo, California. I just love saying things stupid. This is See More Better with freeprescriptionlenses.com, but call me Mo Better, because I'm have you seen Mo Better, looking Mo Better, and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. But before I do that, I want to tell you guys about today's pun that is brought to you by Silly Me. When you're thinking silly, think of silly old me. Okay, today's pun. Have you guys ever seen a nosy pepper? You know, the kind that is jalapeno business. Okay, let's just get back to Hector, shall we? So, Hector sent me his Oliver Peoples. This is the, what is this? It is the 5219, the Fairmont. Just happens to be color 1003 and the 49 eye size, but he wanted me to install the Zeiss Blue Light Protection Anti-Glare, which is known as Blue Protect. Now, these are non-prescription lenses, but I've gotten a lot of requests for blue light protection since so many people are having to work from home from Zoom and other things. Or he just may want, I mean, this is a beautiful frame. He just may want to wear these when he goes out, because this is going to make Hector look really smart. So he's going to fool a lot of people that way, right? Right, Hector? And he can be as silly as me. But no, but I can do these in any prescription. I gave him the choice between Crizal Prevencia, which costs $120, or the Zeiss Blue Protect, which is $100, and these are so much clearer than the Zeiss, than the, let me see if I can find it for you, than the Essilor Crizal Prevencia. It's in here somewhere. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I've got it hiding. Come here, Prevencia. There it is. So, let's get these out and we'll show you. I need to do a video with Crizal Sapphire versus Duravision Platinum from Zeiss. So, these were his options. I'm going to lay these down. This is the Zeiss Blue Protect. This is Crizal Prevencia. And you can see this is has much more yellowish brown hue to it than the Zeiss lens. And of course the original blue protection lens from Blue Protect is just way too much. This was the first generation. Crizal Prevencia came out with this one a few years ago, and then Zeiss has upped the game and giving you the clearest lens with blue light protection. And you hear about that now since, again, so many people are having to work from home, or for just in general from cell phones, tablets, computer screens, and of course the #1 source of blue light on the planet. Anyone, Bueller, the sun, the source of life on our planet. So this has more protection and clearer than the Crizal. I better put this back in the right packet. The Crizal Prevencia, and is $20 less. It's $99 versus $119 from Crizal. So coming up soon, a video Crizal Sapphire for $140 versus, well, $139, and then Zeiss Duravision Platinum, which is $99, so $40 less, and is a clearer lens too. So, but Hector, thank you so much. Now, I'm not an authorized Oliver Peoples dealer, so if you need lenses for your Oliver Peoples, you got to do like Hector did and mail them to me. So thanks again, Hector. This is the second pair. I'm going to have the third pair made for him today. And a pair of Tarte Arnall frames. We'll get those shipped today too. But now hopefully, by the way, click the red subscribe button if you haven't already. Give me the thumbs up if you've liked the video. Click the bell icon so you can get notified every time there's a new frame and lens combination as that becomes available. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram as Free Prescription Lenses, on Twitter as Free RX Lenses. If you have any questions, go to the Contact Me page of the website, or there's also a phone number there. But if you really like typing out long emails, you can email me directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. You can also leave a question or a comment in the comment section below. But again, Hector, thank you so much for your repeat business. This is the second one. I'll have the third pair ready to ship today too. And now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.